By the way, I don't have any shirts on. Oh my goodness! I didn't know I had a song here. All right. Just got a little set maneuvering. Remember, I have no crew people except for in the back. Can we hear it for my crew back there? Carla learned all of her light cues no more than an hour before you showed up. And she's doing a wonderful job, I must say. And now for a little bubble. For those of you who know what's coming, don't say anything. What I have learned. Put the music up a little bit. Yeah. This is probably my favorite song on the album. When I'm alone in my room with all of my thoughts tripping to do the sense memorization of the life I was taking, I think back to all the better times I haven't withdrawn from the heartbreak and the heartache of the bullies and frauds. Anything I wanted to do, I could achieve it. I just close my eyes and imagine they believe in it. Bed sheets a superhero, button mashing Mario, puppet shows, silly songs, Ninja Turtles, Michael Go. Not even my folks and my sis could understand. In 23 years, these fads make me into a fan. The man I am today, trying to make his own way, doing everything the bedroom showed him, nothing I could even told him. Here I am, right in front of this microphone, scheming and dreaming right under your microscope. Coming from the baby boy with hair and curls to a fresh and red product from this corner of the world. When the fire's burning oh so bright, it's so hard to ignore the light. And I try to fight, close the door alone with the things I own. And I'm grown, then I look back on my life, and I pray that I did it right. Cause my soul unfurls when I'm living in my corner of the world. Searching through the abyss of what's under my bed and finding toys and games, a piece of paper and things. I found the journals of past lives I forgot. Try to forget as I got old and lost. With soundtracks to my life and these girlies' phone numbers, grammar in high school, causing memories and bummers. Did I make the right choice to play video games instead of reading and writing to empower my brain? Well, too late for what it stands or what's about what had already made me who I am and what I have. Who I was is who I was, yeah, I was crazy. What I am now, who I am now is just amazing. All these poems and old rhymes are fine, but what you hear before you is what I need to define. As someone who got past all the babies and the girls, sat down to write a song about his corner of the world. Cause when the fire's burning oh so bright, it's so hard to ignore the light. And I try to fight to close the door alone with the things I own. And I'm grown cause then I look back onto my life and I pray that I did it right. As my soul unfurls when I'm living in my corner of the world. Close the windows and hold down the shades, cause the world can't see quite yet what I'm about to create. Planning and scheming and dreaming of being a believing human being. To the doubters and the demons, the walls of my house were very thin, so everybody on the block could hear a small soul banging to the beat of his drum. Promised he won't stop from pushing to the realms of expressing his heart. Michael Jackson videos, singing in the rain, speaking simply quotes, playing all these Mario games. Controls the pull and push of my stage as persona. The Energizer Bunny on a light won't power up. Mine is getting bigger and this room is getting smaller. The body won't stop from this AGG granola. Open the door, down the staircase, unswirl. Let my voice be heard from my corner of